Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the screen that is too dark in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements and then scroll down and here click on extra dim. So the reason behind the darkness of the screen is you have accidentally turned on the extra dim button. So to fix the dark screen, just simply tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button the dark screen issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen that is too dark in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.